Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a nourishing rice mask for your face. This natural beauty treatment offers wonderful benefits for your skin. Rice water is packed with antioxidants, which can help protect your skin from environmental stressors. It also works to improve skin elasticity, making your complexion look firmer and more youthful. A rice mask can soothe irritation and leave your skin feeling incredibly soft and looking brighter. It's a simple, effective way to enhance your skincare routine for a radiant glow. To begin crafting your homemade rice mask, you'll need just a few simple ingredients. First, gather about 1/4 cup of uncooked white rice. Any type of white rice will work perfectly. Next, you'll need 1 cup of distilled water for soaking the rice, which is crucial for extracting its beneficial properties. For an added boost of hydration and antibacterial benefits, you might consider including 1 tablespoon of pure honey. A teaspoon of milk can also be a wonderful addition for extra skin nourishment. Now, let's get to making the mask itself. First, take your 1/4 cup of rice and rinse it thoroughly under cold running water until the water runs clear. This removes any excess starch. Next, cook the rinsed rice with 1 cup of fresh water until it becomes very soft and mushy. Once cooked, allow the rice to cool completely. Finally, blend the cooled rice with a small amount of water, adding it gradually, until you achieve a smooth, creamy paste consistency. This is your nourishing rice mask base. Once your rice mask is ready, it's time for application. Start by ensuring your face is clean and dry. Then, apply the mask evenly across your face, avoiding the delicate eye and lip areas. Let the mask work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, you can relax and let the beneficial properties absorb. After, gently rinse off the mask with lukewarm water, making sure to remove all residue. Finally, pat your face dry and follow with your usual moisturizer. For optimal results, use this mask 1 to 2 times per week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.